Before buying a cabinet table saw, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about the price or brand. It's about what really makes it worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1. SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw. The SawStop 10-inch professional cabinet saw really caught my eye with its safety features and solid construction. Priced at $3,680, it's on the higher end, but if you want peace of mind while working, this is worth a serious look. This saw features a 36-inch T-glide fence system that locks securely, ensuring consistent and accurate cuts. That means you won't have to waste time adjusting and remeasuring. Just set it and go. The standout feature here is the SawStop patented safety system, which stops the blade in mere milliseconds upon contact with skin. Imagine the relief of knowing that a simple mistake won't lead to a life-altering injury. Plus, with 99% dust collection efficiency, you can keep your workspace clean, which is crucial for maintaining visibility and safety while working. However, some users mention the price tag as a drawback, considering it the most expensive option on the list. Here's the thing though, if safety and precision are your top priorities, you might find that the investment is totally worth it. This is perfect for serious woodworkers or hobbyists who prioritize safety and precision. Skip this one if you're just starting out and working with a tight budget. Overall, it offers incredible value for those who can afford it. Now, if the price of the SawStop bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach while still ensuring quality. Product number 2. Powermatic PM 1000 Table Saw. The Powermatic 10-inch table saw is another strong contender at $3,519. Its sleek design and premium features really grab my attention. If you're seeking professional-grade performance, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive about the Powermatic is its ergonomic 7-inch hand wheels, which make blade height and bevel adjustments feel effortless. You can change the blade with one hand thanks to the arbor lock, and the AccuFence system ensures you get precision cuts every time. Plus, the cast ironwork surface is designed for stability, allowing you to work with larger pieces without worrying about wobbling. It also features a Poly-V belt drive system that minimizes vibrations, something that could make or break your cutting experience. However, I did notice a few users reported some challenges in getting the fence perfectly aligned. That said, if you're willing to invest a little time in setup, it rewards you with fantastic results. This is perfect for woodworkers who need an efficient and precise saw. Skip this one if you want a budget-friendly option that requires less setup. The quality here is top-notch, justifying its price for serious enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need flexibility. Product number 3. Jet Zacta Table Saw. Next up is the Jet 10-inch Deluxe Zacta Table Saw, priced at $4,124. What caught my eye was its large table surface and reliable power. If you need a solid workhorse, this one should definitely be on your radar. The exclusive 50-inch commercial Zacta fence, too, provides incredible accuracy, which is essential when working on larger projects. The Poly-V drive belt system promises quiet, smooth operation. No one wants a noisy workspace. Plus, the quick-release riving knife minimizes kickback risk, making it safer to use for beginners and pros alike. With extended cast iron wings, you'll have a stable surface for handling big sheets of plywood. Now, some reviews mention the weight of the saw as a hassle during setup. But honestly, that extra weight translates into stability while you're cutting, so it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for anyone who values safety and space while working on large projects. Skip this one if you need a more portable option. The quality and features make it worth the investment for serious woodworkers. Now, if you need something more budget-friendly, keep watching because our next pick might fit your needs better. Product number 4. Grizzly Industrial G0651. The Grizzly Industrial G0651 heavy-duty cabinet table saw comes in at $3,399, and it's built for those who love reliability in their tools. If you want strong performance at a reasonable price, this is worth a serious look. With a robust 3 HP motor, This saw can handle most jobs you throw at it. It has a left tilt blade that allows for easy adjustments and a sturdy 27-inch by 75 and 3/4-inch table. The height from the floor is comfortable and ergonomic for prolonged use, making it a joy to work with. The blade itself is made from high-speed steel, ensuring durability. However, there were a few complaints about assembly instructions being a bit unclear. But honestly, if you have some DIY skills, it's manageable, and once it's set up, you'll appreciate the performance. This is perfect for intermediate woodworkers looking for power and stability without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer a plug-and-play setup. It's a solid investment in your workshop. Finally, if you're after something even more budget-conscious, our last entry checks all the boxes. Product number 5, Grizzly Industrial G1023 RLX. Last but not least is the Grizzly Industrial G1023 RLX, priced at $3,195. It's a solid option for those looking for a balance of features and affordability. If you're just starting out but still want quality, this is worth a look. This saw sports a powerful 3 HP motor and a solid cast iron table that's been heat-treated for strength. The T-slot design on the table ensures your miter gauge won't fall off during use, which is a nice touch. The 44-inch by 27-inch extension table gives you ample space for larger materials, and the arbor is compatible with dado blades, which expand your cutting capabilities. On the downside, some users found that the assembly can take a bit of time and patience. But once you get it set up, the performance is surprisingly good for the price. This is perfect for beginners or hobbyists who need a dependable saw without a hefty price tag. Skip it if you're looking for advanced features that more experienced woodworkers might desire. It's a great value for what you get. And that wraps up our list of the top cabinet table saws. So, to recap, we started with the SawStop for safety, then moved to the Powermatic for precision, followed by the Jet for workspace efficiency. We also covered the Grizzly G0651 for power, and lastly, the G1023 RLX for budget-friendly reliability. Each of these saws has its unique strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.